It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off a new vlog here. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember guys, once I hit to 2K subscribers, I will be giving away $100 to 3 lucky people each that have been subscribed to my channel, liking and or commenting on my videos and showing support, as well as sharing. Do not forget share. But anyways guys, let's just get into this video. I already did my skincare. My nose is a little stuffy, but I already did my skincare. I already hopped in the shower. I have a bunch of Amazon packages that I need to unpack because I bought more stuff. So I want to show you guys that, and I am doing my little skincare right now with the eye patches going on. I'm about to take them off, but I'll show you like the least exciting thing first. So I got some home stuff. I ended up getting this sink tray, or like soap tray for the sink. Now this is gonna be for my soap dish, so I can sit it there, and it has this little thing here where if it gets wet, you know, it's not ruining my granite countertops, and it'll go right into the sink right here, the water. And it's grippy. I just got it literally. Yeah, it's like a gel, silicone gel. Actually pretty durable actually. So yeah, I'm gonna put my soap container on this so that my granite countertops are not ruined. Hold on one second. What? All right guys, sorry about that. So yeah, just a silicone bar tray, soap deposit tray. Soap deposit tray, yeah. We're gonna go with that. All right, next thing I got is the famous TikTok like phone glass sticky thingy. It's basically a phone holder that sticks to glass surfaces only. Like when I first saw this, they were advertising it for all surfaces, and I was like, I know you motherfucking lying. I'm like, this is for glass only. I bought this on Amazon for the low. All right, so this is for the content creator girlies. I am a content creator girly. Where is that? Hold on one second. So for the girlies that want to take their own photos and they want to be able to see themselves while they take the photos from the back camera, I have none other than the famous TikTok mirror. So I have this mirror. I bought it off of Amazon. And I don't know if this one is cheaper. I think it's the same amount of money. I just like shopping on Amazon because I earn credits off of my credit card, and it's like Amazon money. Every time I buy stuff on my credit card, I can just apply those points to Amazon and get, literally I could just get free stuff. But that's through my credit card. That's what they offer through my credit card. So I'm always shopping at Amazon. Even when you guys don't see me shopping on Amazon, I don't do all my unboxings on here, but I do shop a lot on Amazon just because I have that. I have that, you know, them credits, baby, and I can use it for whatever I want. But it's just so easy when you're on Amazon and you have a cart full of stuff, and it's like not gonna cost you anything because you spend a lot of money on your credit card. Because you spend a lot of money on your credit card, yeah. Anyway, so this is the mirror. and I was just putting it together so that you guys can see. It's clips to your phone. This is a big clip right here. It clips to your phone, your tripod, whatever you have it. It clips to it so that it stays put, and it just moves around. Like, it just literally like moves around, and it stays put because it's locked in, and it just moves around whichever way you want it to go, however way you want it to bend, literally. Look at this. So this is a good investment. I cannot wait to use it. I cannot wait to use it. I'm probably going to try and use it today if I'm not feeling lazy and I don't have too much fun again when I go out. Because you know me, I have fun and I just be forgetting. I be forgetting, honey. All right, next item. I ended up getting these kitchen organizers. So in my kitchen, everybody has the kitchen cabinet underneath the sink. Yeah, I bought these organizers for the kitchen sink. Now, I think I have to put them together. This is kind of heavy. Just let me take it out here. I think I have to put it together, but I think it's like snap-in type stuff. It's just a snap-in kitchen organizer for underneath the kitchen cabinets. Whew. All right, so we got that. This is the best part. Let me take my eye patches off for this one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Wet bags. Okay, this is why I love my little iPads. Whew. They bring my eyes back to life. And I love that. I love that. I ended up getting a bag. And you know what? I don't know if this is considered like an Amazon luxury purchase, but I would say it definitely is because it definitely costs almost $300. It's almost a $300 bag. I got it on sale though. Amazon notified me when it dropped. That price dropped to like, I don't know, like $100. It went from almost being $300 to like $100. This bag is incredible. It is different. I don't have any bag like this in my bag collection, but it has me in a chokehold. And I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all. Okay, so let me show you guys because I definitely already unboxed it. I was way too excited. It was packaged like a luxury bag too. So I was geeked. I was like, okay, Amazon's doing their little 1-2 right here because this is really great quality. I don't know, guys, much about this brand, but I have seen Instagram baddies and the girlies, the fashion girlies wearing this bag. I'm not sure if it's as popular up north, but I don't care. I like what I like. I'm rambling. I'm so excited. This is how you can tell I'm excited because I keep on talking. Here is the bag. It is so freaking cute. It is a fur leather bag. And I think it is genuine leather. I think so, right? I'll have to look at the details. But let's see. It looks and it smells like mint. It comes with its own serial number. I need to really look into this brand and know the history about this brand. It is bomb. It came with its packaging. It came with its own dust bag too. Actually, let me show you guys the dust bag. Let me put this down and show you guys the dust bag. It comes with its own cute little dust bag. Can you believe that? Oh, it smells like brand new. Okay, I'm about to check. What is up with this brand? Because it's definitely giving luxury. It's giving like affordable luxury. But like really, really, really good quality. Anyways, guys. That's what I ended up getting from Amazon. And yeah, I'm just going to lounge around the house for a little bit. I'm gonna go and get something to eat. Not get something to eat, but I'm gonna go heat up some pizza. I got some really good Italian, old school Italian pizza, made in the stone oven or the wooden oven. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the old school Italian way of making pizza, and I got that in my refrigerator right now, and I'm about to heat that up and eat it. It tastes delicious, delicious. And I guess I'll just hit you guys back when I'm done, or I'm getting ready to go out, and we can continue this little vlog. Hey guys, so we are back, and it's probably been a couple of days later. Right now it is early in the morning. It's 9:40 a.m. and I'm not used to getting up so early. I've actually been up for quite some time now. I've been up since 6 a.m. and dragging it, just dragging it. I'm gonna go grocery shopping first and get it out the way because it's early in the morning, and then I'm going to come back, drop the groceries off, and then go to the gym. That's the plan. And in between that, somewhere, somehow, I gotta find something else to eat. I mean, I need to find something to eat in between that because I haven't had anything to eat yet. But I usually don't eat until like 2 p.m. because I don't really eat breakfast because I'm too lazy to cook breakfast. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the car. So okay guys, so it is about 2 to 3 days later. Okay, this vlog is kind of gonna be all over the place, but I am going on a date, so I am getting ready now. I'm rushing because I'm crunched for time. Honestly, my days go like this: go, 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 and don't stop. So I'm always on go, literally. I already picked out my outfits, so I'm going to put that on and then I'll show you guys what I'm working with. The lighting is insane because I'm using the natural light from my lamps, which I don't really like the warm light, but anyways, I'm about to show you what I'm working with as far as the outfit before I head out. Okay guys, so I have my Aritzia dress on. When I wear this dress, I usually do not wear a bra, so I don't have a bra on. And I also am wearing my Prada nylon bag. This is the most expensive nylon bag I've ever, well, I didn't buy it, I was gifted it, but it's the most expensive nylon bag that I have in my collection, and the only nylon bag that I have in my bag collection. All of them, the rest of them are literally leather. So yeah, I have this Aritzia dress. I want to see, maybe I will scoot you guys down, move you guys to the side here, so that maybe you can see it better. This is the dress. Okay, I have my Jimmy Choo shoes that I'm going to put on as well, but those Jimmy Choo shoes are definitely in my car because I'm definitely the girlie that puts on slippers, and then when I get to my destination I switch over to my heels so I don't be walking in my heels all day. That's just me. And I definitely am that girlie that leaves shoes in the car like all the time, just in case. You never know when something happens and you need an extra pair of shoes or heels. That's what I got going on in my car right now. It's like my second home. I will update you guys on how it goes the next day. If not tonight, probably gonna be the next day. Alright guys, so believe it or not, it is the next morning now. I'm exhausted from yesterday, but I'm an early bird now. I don't know what it is, but I be waking up at like 5:30, 6 a.m. in the morning, so the sun's not out and stuff like that. But I just decided I'm gonna hop in the shower, do my makeup and my hair, and just lay in bed and just relax. Today is content creating day, so that's what I plan to do, as well as straighten up the house as well, hence why I'm already ready. Early bird always gets the freaking worm. Okay, so let's see how this day goes. My date last night was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. He brought me roses and a couple other gifts, which was really sweet and I really appreciated it. So I'm going to go and cut my roses and put them in a vase, and I'll show you guys how I arrange my roses and make a little flower arrangement. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. We talked about going on another date and stuff like that. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but you know, if it does happen, I definitely don't want to go on another dinner date. So let's see how that goes. In the meantime, I'm going to focus on staying in today, getting a head start on the laundry, cleaning the house, and also getting that content in, because y'all know I'm a content creator for real. So that's what my focus is today, and I'm just going to just relax. I got my coffee heating up in the kettle. Well, not my coffee, but the water heating up in the kettle on the stove. And, you know, I'm just trying to be very productive today, even though I'm dragging it. I don't know if you guys can see if I'm tired. I don't know if you guys can see my little bags. I don't know. Probably not. But, you know, early as hell. It looks like dark outside. I hate when it starts to get cold just for that reason. Like, you wake up at 6 a.m. and it's still dark out like it's nighttime. Outside again, y'all. I'm outside again. My presence has been requested. I have been summoned. Okay? Telling me that he wanted to see me again before the day was over. And I was like, oh yeah. And I gave him some ideas of basically stuff that I wanted to do, right? Because I'm like, you know, going out to dinner is nice and all, but it's kind of boring, you know? Like, let's switch it up a little bit. So I was telling him all the ideas that I had thought of other than dinner or whatever. Yeah, so basically we hit it off and we're going out today. I told him what is required of me if I must be summoned and I must be outside. So we're gonna do like a spa day, and then we're gonna do a dinner afterwards, which is perfect. I need it. So I'm gonna go meet up with him at the spa now.